Samsung launched the Galaxy A55 back in March, and so it's clearly already hard at work on its successor, which we assume will arrive sometime during the first quarter of next year. Today, the Galaxy A56 camera details have been leaked and, as the saying goes, we have some good news and some bad news. Let's start with the good. The Galaxy A56 will get an upgraded selfie camera, most likely a 12MP sensor, that will replace the 32MP snapper that's been in use in the A5X line since the Galaxy A51 launched back in 2019. It's unclear whether the new camera will be identical to the one used in the Galaxy S flagship line, but it will definitely be an upgrade compared to what the A5X devices have had so far. That's all well and good, but it's looking like the selfie shooter will be the only upgraded camera compared to the Galaxy A55. Thus, the A56 is said to have to make do with the exact same 50MP main snapper, 12MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro camera as its predecessor. So if you've been hoping to see a telephoto camera in the Galaxy A5X line, which is Samsung's best-selling, let's not forget, then you should keep waiting until maybe the A57.